So here we have awesome snow. See all that snow? It is now the 29th of March. And you would think it was the middle of December. Here's our sidewalk here. As you can tell, completely covered with snow. And there's the road, completely covered with snow. Yeehaw. Let's head upstairs and look out the main window of the house. Hello, Natty Dog. Hello, Keenan. So here we have it. Lots of snow coming down on March 29th. Last week we were having 60-degree temperatures. Now it's about 25 degrees outside and it's been snowing all day. No green grass. About 2 inches of snow on the ground. Crazy stuff. Welcome to Southeastern Idaho.